How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can cut your model into multiple parts in Creality Slicer. So I have a model right here for us to demonstrate this procedure. The first thing that you want to do is to simply click on your model, and it's as simple as clicking the C shortcut button on your keyboard or by pressing this logo right here, which is going to be the cut function. In here, we have multiple buttons to choose from, or we have multiple parts or some properties that we can add it. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to edit out your cut. Now this square right here visualizes where the cut is going to happen. As of right now, it's on the head itself. So if you want to move it, you want to grab the gray ball and then you can turn it up and down onto your model. So in my case, I'm going to be cutting from the middle of the head right here, so it will be easier for me to plug it back in. Basically, in my case, I'm going to be adding a connector onto my model. You just have to make sure that your cut doesn't tangled with any other models or any other hanging parts right here, like maybe this one, which will basically destroy the model itself. So you want to make sure that you are cutting from a perfect spot. Of course, you can turn this sideways or vertically if you want to, but let's go ahead and proceed with something like this one. So from there, I'm going to add my connector by clicking on the add connector option, and then for the best connection, you want to choose something like a hexagon. From there, you then want to click on any part of your model. So I'm going to be placing it on the middle one right here, and then let's choose something like a very deep connector. Let's increase its size, and this is good for me. Just click on the confirm connector, click on perform cut, and from there you will have two different parts of the same model. So in our case, I've added this connector that makes me able to basically connect them together easily. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.